And so when we talk about YouTube, I want you to think about something. This is a really important topic right now relating to the lead generation for marketing. You could literally tomorrow go and shoot 4 different videos that are 1 minute each. One for crack sealing, one for pothole patching, one for seal coating, and one for striping. You could shoot 4 1-minute videos tomorrow with your smartphone on a parking lot. And all you have to say is, hi, my name's Judd from company X, and we are here on a parking lot about to seal cracks that are going to prevent liability risks as it relates to potholes. We are a crack repair company that will make sure to eliminate your liability risks on your parking lot and protect your pavement assets. We'd love the opportunity to work with you. We're located in Gainesville, Florida. Would love to work with you. Give us a call or click that link down there below, and we'd love to work with you as your pavement asset management company. That's it. There's a few things that I said in that video. I said crack repair, I said potholes, I said liability risks, I said Gainesville, Florida. And now when I go to post that video and I post the title of my video as Parking Lot Crack Repair Gainesville, Florida, and I write the description of that video, and I have that content those keywords weaved into my content, and I post that video. Let me ask you something. Do you think that that video has a better chance of being seen by somebody who's in Gainesville, Florida, looking for a company to do crack repair than if you didn't post that video? Raise your hand if you agree with that statement. Get filming, everyone. Get filming. You see, the people that go and do this stuff, the people that truly go out and actually do what it is that we're saying to do right here are the people that are going to dominate the lead generation as it relates to what we call omni-channel marketing. But what I'm getting at is, team, we do marketing for that first reason, lead generation primarily. And remember, I tied in the word parking lot, not driveway in that video too, right? So now I have an opportunity to go after that commercial work and get leads after that commercial work. I'm just giving some freestyle examples, throwing some darts on the board close to the bullseye, but those are things that you guys should possibly explore and execute on for your business. Your YouTube channel is very important. Why? Any ideas who owns YouTube? Come off mute and just say it.
Facebook.
Google.
So if Google owns Facebook and you put out videos that are related to content that people are searching for on Google, Google has what's called a SERP setting, S-E-R-P, where YouTube videos will actually pump right into your Google display. Get to work, guys. Do that stuff. Trust me on it, okay? Lay it out, film those videos, get them in your YouTube channel, pump that.
If you like this video, go ahead and check out this video. Or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.